Is inflation still the biggest threat to markets, or has the market kind of got a bit more comfortable with that over the course of the last month or so?
Well, I think it's gotten more comfortable. We'll find out on Thursday when CPI comes out, then the following Tuesday when PPI comes out. It's not going to be a surprise to anybody that we see a hot economy. Fed's done a great job of saying they expect it. So now is not the seminal moment. The seminal moment will be if you see these hot numbers month after month. But you can tell from where the 10-year is that the Fed's buying into, that the market's buying into what the Fed says. That's transitory, which I believe. But the debate will be, this is a momentary pause in this debate, but the debate is going to be, can the market stay as patient as the Fed is going to be? And that's an open question. From my standpoint, I think it's interesting to talk about. It's interesting to hear what Mike says. It's interesting to hear what strategists say. But at the end of the day, say you sell. Where are you going to go? You're going to go into a 10-year, it's a 1.5? No, you're not going anywhere, so you're going to stay in equities. Period. End of story. And guess what? Since the beginning of time, markets go up. They can take a little longer to recover, but they recover. So don't worry about that. Just do research in your stocks, on your sectors.
That said, is your total exposure as high as it has been over the last 6 months, or are you actually waiting for a bit of a pullback? I mean, gauge for us exactly how bullish you are relative to the last 6 months.
So that's a great question. So I'd say about a month or so ago, I got up to 35% cash, waiting for a pullback. I got the pullback. I never believed that reasonably priced growth names that I've talked about in the show before, whether it's a Skyworks or a Corvo or an Amazon or a Google, you get the message, are going to suffer when rates go higher. They will continue to thrive. And those stocks that I mentioned, with the exception of Amazon and possibly Google, are selling at major discounts to the market, yet Skyworks and Corvo growing at 50% on the front end of a 10-year 5G cycle. So it's lunacy. I get the snowflakes. I haven't played in those. I think that's crazy, as crazy as the meme stocks, or meme stocks. So yeah, my exposure is just about as high as I will go.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.